Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting performance SUVs ever created, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo. The Patrol has always been known for its strength, luxury, and incredible off-road capability, but the Nismo version adds a completely new level of performance and sporty design that makes this massive SUV feel more thrilling than ever before. At first glance, the 2026 Patrol Nismo looks bold, aggressive, and unmistakably sporty. The front fascia features a redesigned V-motion grille with a darker finish, surrounded by sharp LED headlights that give the SUV a powerful road presence. Nismo's signature red accents run along the lower bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser, immediately telling everyone that this is not an ordinary Patrol. The large air intakes in the front bumper improve cooling while also adding a more muscular appearance. Moving along the side, the SUV sits on massive lightweight alloy wheels designed specifically for the Nismo model. These wheels not only look stunning but also help reduce weight and improve performance. The body lines remain strong and elegant, but the Nismo tuning gives the vehicle a lower, sportier stance compared to the standard Patrol. At the rear, you'll notice a redesigned bumper, aerodynamic spoiler, and distinctive Nismo badging that completes the performance-inspired look. Under the hood is where things get truly exciting. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is powered by a specially tuned twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. This engine has been carefully refined by Nissan's motorsport division to provide stronger acceleration, smoother power delivery, and a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note. Paired with a responsive automatic transmission and an advanced four-wheel drive system, the Patrol Nismo offers both powerful highway performance and serious off-road capability. Inside the cabin, the Patrol Nismo blends luxury with motorsport-inspired design. Premium leather seats feature Nismo embroidery and red stitching, creating a sporty yet refined atmosphere. The steering wheel is wrapped in high-quality materials and includes a red center marker inspired by racing cars. Carbon fiber style trim pieces and metallic accents give the interior a modern and high-performance feel. Technology is another area where the 2026 Patrol Nismo shines. A large touchscreen infotainment system provides navigation, smartphone connectivity, and entertainment features, while a premium sound system ensures every drive feels special. Digital driver displays deliver clear information about speed, performance, and vehicle settings, making the driving experience even more engaging. Safety and driver assistance features are also a big part of the package. The SUV includes advanced systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering this large vehicle much easier. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is an impressive combination of luxury, performance, and rugged capability. It takes the legendary Patrol platform and transforms it into something even more exciting, blending motorsport inspiration with everyday practicality. Whether you're driving through the city, cruising on the highway, or exploring rough terrain, this SUV delivers power, comfort, and unmistakable style. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more amazing cars like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.